How often do I need to reset my ADT sensor?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into the world of ADT security system maintenance, specifically focusing on the frequency of resetting your ADT sensor. This is a common question that many ADT users ask, so we're here to give you a clear and concise answer.
How often should you reset your ADT sensor?
When it comes to resetting your ADT sensor, there's no strict rule as it largely depends on the performance of your system. Normally, you do not need to frequently reset your ADT sensor. However, it becomes necessary in certain situations, such as when your sensor is not working properly or showing errors, after a power outage or any disruption in the power supply. If the system was disarmed for a long period of time, always remember that regular maintenance, including occasional resets, can help keep your ADT system performing at its best.
How to reset your ADT sensor?
Resetting an ADT sensor can seem like a daunting task, but it's actually quite simple when you know the steps. Here is the general process. 1. Disarm your system first to avoid any false alarms. 2. Locate the Reset button on your sensor. This could be a physical button on the device or an option in the system's user interface. 3. Press the Reset button or select the Reset option. Some systems might require you to hold the button for a few seconds. 4. Wait for the sensor to restart. After the reset, the sensor should begin to function normally again. 5. Finally, rearm your system. Please note that the exact steps can vary depending on your specific ADT model. Always refer to your user manual or consult with ADT support for model-specific instructions. In conclusion, you do not need to reset your ADT sensor on a regular basis. It's typically done only when necessary, such as when troubleshooting issues. However, being familiar with the process is important for maintaining the efficiency and functionality of your security system. As always, reach out to ADT's customer service for any additional assistance or if you encounter problems during the reset process. Hope this video was helpful, and stay safe everyone.